Usembut Menteri Rang Ba Gejala Meghalaya wa Prestun Tunsong haka katwe truk uyayong Arajar Arpuar. Uletho bagi sorkar kelabetha ek Chief Secretary Gejala ikong Arvi Suciang manuat kilat kelinti kumno ban pentreka mega roster system na kebenta bantung kam tung jam ha Gejala. Ulang bagi sorkar Gejala kadang bisyar penia ke hukum jong ke Meghalaya High Court kebalapha pensangi asywai ke jingtung kam haki office sorkar. Badong bagi sorkar kan sa file dak affidavit haka bedai bagi jing betha ka Meghalaya High Court ban pensangi asywai ke jingtung kam haka Gejala.
Government mentang la instruction ni Chief Secretary work out ia ke mekanism hagisha pi le dekam don mana ke roster ru unrei ka MPSC but ki department ba prepare hagisha equally we share ia kan ne reservation policy den rei ka honorable high court kong ba warna ia ka roster policy ke babiang ia kan ne nakaliang jong Chief Secretary nakaliang jong government kidang work out but very soon yeah, we are going to file the affidavit in the honorable high court kan number 4 naman ngin ke government ngopi ngila IT jaga Chief Secretary ya ki officers bikin work out kenang bangin yo ban file ka affidavit apo ka high court kenang ba kan ke process of recruiting ke proses nang menda ka appointment jogi post ki ba per pokok jela jogi kanum long affected.
Ha kabayadai bat ke jing berngam ke kenhuan lawai bapernai nagaliang uba prestun tunsong uloong bagi sorkar kelabetha ek tenat pulit ban tokit ke jing berngam jong ni keseng la kadai ke basishan em bat ki pulit gidang penlong ke jing tokit. Uba prestun tunsong uloong bagi ke jing berngam ke kenhuan lawai bapernai kan keta asatya ke jing temu bene keren esok hapdeng ka New Trap National Liberation Council HNLC ke sorkar Jela bat ke sorkar Penang.
Well, for this, we have already entrusted to police department. We have already asked the police department to trace it out and find out whether the threat circulated through the media, through the social media, whether it's genuine, is it true or not. And then the police now they are on the job. I don't think so. Because as I said too, we are determined. We already invited the HNLC and I'm so happy at least now they wanted to have across the table talking. So let us see. And I'm sure they are so positive from the government side. Also, we are so positive. Let us see that the talk starts very soon. And I'm sure we will be able to resolve again this issue when we are across the table.